Can a J1 visa holder apply for an EB1A Green Card? We get this question a lot, and the good news is, yes, they can. But it comes with some challenges. Here's some good news though. The recent USCIS policy update makes the green card process easier for J1 visa holders. Let's discuss that a little bit in this video. Hi, this is Simon Shetty, your host and the founder of the Smart Green Card program. Please note that we are not attorneys and we do not provide legal representation. For personalized advice regarding your specific legal matters, you should always consult a licensed US immigration attorney. Now that said, let's hop into the topic. First off, let's talk about the current rule. J1 holders can file an EB1A 140 application. But before they move forward with the final step, adjustment of status, which is they need to complete the 2-year home country requirement in many J1 cases. This is not always easy. Imagine delaying your career growth, struggling with family separation, and even dealing with uncertainty of when you can finally settle in the US. How does that feel? We also had a handful of clients in the J1 bucket who were aiming for the EB1A Green Card, whom we have helped at the Smart Green Card program. So let's discuss about that later as well. The good news is that the US Department of State has made a major update, eliminating the 2-year home residency requirement for the J1 visa holders from 34 additional countries, including India, China, South Korea, Saudi Arabia, even the United Arab Emirates. And this marks the first significant revision of the list in 15 years and aims to enhance the opportunities for global talent retention in the United States. This update is also effective as of December 2024. Let's break down what's really changed here though. Previously, the J1 visa holders from certain countries had to return home after 2 years of completing their exchange program. Now, only 27 countries are still subject to this requirement. However, the 2-year home country requirement has been removed for countries like India, China, and 32 other nations. This new update doesn't apply to J1 holders bound by government fundings for those who graduate medical education programs, which still have these restrictions. So it's important to keep that caveat in mind. So how does this benefit J1 visa holders really? They now have more options like the H-1B visas, the green cards without needing a waiver or even returning home first. This is a game changer for researchers, physicians, and trainees looking to build a strong long-term future in the United States. Now let's talk about how to transition from this J1 to the EB1A Green Card. First, you should understand the EB1A requirements and build a strong profile that highlights your extraordinary abilities. Once you have that strong profile, you can then file your EB1A petition directly with USCIS, no employer sponsorship needed at all, which is the most beautiful thing about the EB1A. You can take it completely in your hands. Plus, with EB1A, you can also skip the PERM process, the PERM certification process from the Department of Labor. For applicants from India, EB1A remains the fastest path to US residency with just a 2-year wait time right now. And if you actually have a priority date already from your past visa categories, you can use it towards the EB1A and potentially get it immediately without any green card wait at all. While a 2-year waiver or home country requirement can often delay your green card journey, how empowering would it be to bypass all that and move forward confidently? Share your thoughts in the comments. We are on Instagram and LinkedIn also, by the way. Follow us to stay updated with all the latest immigration strategies and US immigration news. Do you have questions about the EB1A process? Feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Turn on that notification bell for helpful insights on your path to achieving your green card dream.